Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Do's English.
We're so happy you're here today. Hi, friends. If this is your first time here, welcome. This channel helps you practice real English conversations.
Before we start, please take 1 second to like this video and subscribe to Do's English if you want to improve your English step by step.
Yes, your support really helps us. Thank you so much.
Today's topic is very special. We are talking about the new year.
That's right. In this episode, you will learn how to talk about your new year in English.
We will talk about what you did last year, what you did on New Year's Day, and simple phrases you can use in daily life.
Don't worry, we will speak slowly, use easy English, and repeat important words.
So relax, listen carefully, and practice with us.
Let's begin.
Okay, James, let me start with a simple question. How was your new year?
My new year was good and peaceful. How about you, Jessica?
Mine was quiet but happy. That's a great sentence for learners. My new year was quiet. My new year was happy.
Good job. You can use was to talk about the past.
James, what did you do on New Year's Eve?
On New Year's Eve, I stayed at home.
You stayed at home. Nice and simple.
Yes, I stayed at home with my family. We ate dinner together.
What did you eat?
We ate rice, vegetables, and chicken.
That sounds delicious. Everyone, listen again. I stayed at home. We ate dinner together.
These are very common English sentences.
Let me share my example. On New Year's Eve, I watched TV and listened to music.
Nice. So you can say, I watched TV, I listened to music.
Yes, short sentences are perfect for beginners.
Good job. You're doing great already.
James, did you watch the countdown?
Yes. At midnight, we watched the countdown on TV.
Countdown means counting backwards. 10, 9, 8.
And then we say, Happy New Year.
Everyone repeat with us, Happy New Year.
Great pronunciation.
What did you do after midnight?
After midnight, I called my friend.
That's very nice. You can say, I called my friend. I sent messages.
Yes, I sent messages to my cousins.
I like that. I sent messages too.
See? Simple English is real English.
How did you feel on New Year's night?
I felt happy and relaxed.
Great feeling words. I felt happy. I felt relaxed.
How did you feel?
I felt thankful. Thankful means happy for what you have.
That's a beautiful word.
Let's practice together. Listen carefully. On New Year's Eve, I stayed at home. I ate dinner with my family. I watched the countdown. I felt happy.
Now listen again. On New Year's Eve, I stayed at home.
Now you try saying it in your mind.
Good job.
Okay, let's stop here for a moment. In part 1, we learned how to talk about New Year's Eve, simple past actions, and feelings like happy, relaxed, thankful.
You learned easy sentences like I stayed at home, I watched TV, I felt happy.
You're improving already, really.
Now we will talk about New Year's Day, the first day of the year.
James, let me ask you, what did you do on New Year's Day?
On New Year's Day, I woke up late.
That's very common. You can say, I woke up late, I woke up early.
After that, I drank hot coffee and ate a simple breakfast.
Nice. What was your breakfast?
My breakfast was bread and eggs.
Great example for daily English. My breakfast was bread and eggs.
Perfect sentence.
After breakfast, what did you do?
I went for a short walk.
A short walk is very healthy. I went for a walk. I stayed at home.
Yes, the weather was nice and I felt calm.
Calm means relaxed and peaceful.
How about you, Jessica? What did you do on New Year's Day?
I cleaned my room and listened to music.
That's a productive day.
Now, let's talk about New Year's goals. Very simple. A New Year's goal is something you want to do this year. James, do you have a goal for this year?
Yes, my goal is to speak English every day.
That's a great goal. Everyone can use this sentence. My goal is to speak English every day.
What is your goal, Jessica?
My goal is to wake up early and exercise.
Very nice and very clear. My goal is to wake up early. My goal is to exercise.
Listeners, your goal can be small.
Yes, small goals are good goals.
For example, my goal is to drink more water. My goal is to read 5 pages a day.
Good job if you were thinking about your goal right now.
Now, let's practice a very useful sentence. This year, I plan to.
For example, this year I plan to learn new words.
This year, I plan to travel with my family.
You don't need long sentences. I plan to study. I plan to work. I plan to relax.
Simple English is strong English. Okay, listen carefully. On New Year's Day, I woke up late. I drank coffee. I went for a walk. This year, I plan to learn English.
Let's listen again. On New Year's Day, I woke up late.
Now, pause the video and say it yourself.
Great job. You're improving already.
Let's recap. Today, you learned how to talk about New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, your feelings, your goals, and plans.
You practiced sentences like, I stayed at home. I felt happy. My goal is to. This year, I plan to.
That's amazing progress for one episode.
Now, it's time for our question of the day.
Tell us in the comments, what is one small goal you have this year?
It can be very simple. I want to wake up early. I want to practice English.
We read your comments and we love them.
If this episode helped you, please like this video.
And subscribe to Do's English for more easy English conversations.
Remember, don't be afraid of mistakes.
You're learning, you're growing, and you're doing a great job.
Happy New Year, everyone.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.